In today's video, we're going to check out an awesome deal from one of my favorite aftermarket parts manufacturers, Killer B Motorsports. Thanks for checking out the video, guys. My name's Luke, and this is a Subaru-only show.
This is my little Subaru-only shop. It's a DIY Subaru channel. It's a channel where all I do is Subaru builds and race Subaru vehicles in motorsport events. It's a DIY themed channel where I walk you guys through the steps to get your Subarus back on the road and hopefully do a little racing of your own. So thanks for checking out the video, guys. I really appreciate it.
Okay, we're going to head over to the Killer B Motorsport website. They actually posted a really cool deal on their Facebook page the other day, and I wanted to run over to it and share it with you guys. And this is actually their Facebook webpage right here, and this is where they posted this deal. I'll actually click on their little intro video, that way we can see a little bit more about the company. So Killer B Motorsport is a company here in the United States, and they basically hand manufacture and hand weld all of their parts. And they're really high quality parts, and their parts are being used in motorsport teams all over the US. They're also being sold at major wholesale suppliers like Rally Sport Direct and IAG. And I know for sure a lot of the big race teams that are drag racing and rally racing are definitely using these Killer B Motorsport parts. So that's their little intro ad, or their little intro video. And if we go over to their posts, we kind of scroll down their posts. This is a kind of cool post. This is a guy who's actually looks like who's in the White House, who's got a Killer B Motorsport shirt. That's pretty cool. Cruise on down. This is actually a guy who won one of their air oil separators at one of the big Subaru meets, the big Northwest event. Pretty cool. Okay, so here's the deal I wanted to point out, guys. This is an awesome deal. And what it is if you buy the oil pan, the baffle, and that oil pickup from Killer B, you actually get the oil baffle for free. And that's what they're showing right here on their post. I'll go ahead and click on that image. So if I zoom in, that's the oil pan. It's a cast oil pan, and it's a lot deeper design. And it's actually got a different design for the drain back of your oil that seems to be a really effective design. And then this is that pickup. This pickup is a huge improvement over the factory pickup. Mostly because the factory pickup actually is notorious for cracking right where the pickup is braze welded to the tube. See, the factory pickups actually only have one leg that supports that pickup. So a lot of that vibration actually causes that weld to fail a lot of the time, and you'll have a crack in your pickup. And that actually means you'll suck up air through that pickup, and that will destroy your bearings and it'll toast your engine. So these Killer B pickups, like I'm showing right here in this picture, they actually have two separate legs, and they actually use a lot thicker material for those support legs. And they have a different design for the pickup itself, and the tube itself is actually a lot thicker material than the factory OEM design. So these custom fabricated pickups from Killer B are a huge upgrade for the safety and reliability of any Subaru motor. And then down here, that's that windage tray. So when you buy all three of these components together, you actually get this windage tray for free. And this windage tray is actually an improvement over the factory design. And what these windage trays do is they actually allow the oil to drain back into the bottom of the oil pan, but they don't allow any of that oil to get up into where the crankshaft is, because if that crankshaft is splashing through the oil, that can actually aerate that oil and create a lot of vapors in there and create resistance for that crankshaft. So Killer B has basically redesigned those windage trays, and they actually give you one for free when you buy all three of these parts. I think it's an awesome deal, so I just wanted to take the time to point it out and share it with you guys. That way you guys can go ahead and pick one up if you're interested. Thank you so much for checking out the video, guys. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section. If you think this video would be good for any of your friends in the Subaru community, please go ahead and click the link and share it with them. Thank you so much for checking out the video, guys. My name's Luke. This is a Subaru-only channel. Until next time, guys. Later!